Hello, in this video we are going to practice a few questions on disk partitioning and LVM. The first question is to create a partition of size 3 GB from the given disk. So let us first list the disk. So the last one is the one which we are going to work upon, SDH, whose size is 5 GB. So from this we need to create a partition of 3 GB. So we will use the command fdisk/dev/hd/sdh and to create a new partition, P for primary partition. Let us give it the number 1, default sector, last sector, so I'll give the size which is 3 GB. So the partition is created, W to update the partition table, then part probe/dev/sdh, and now we can list lsplk, and the partition is created of size 3 GB. The second question is to extend the logical volume named LV1 by 1 GB. So if I list the logical volumes using LVS, so LV1 is there whose size is 16 GB and it is created from the volume group new VG, and I need to extend it by 1 GB. So let us first check whether the space is there in the new VG volume group or not. So we'll use VGS. So new VG volume group has got only 968 MB of free space. So this means we need to add some more space to new VG. So what we can do here is we have just created a partition, or you can also use any free disk in your system. Let us first create the physical volume. So pv create/dev/sdh1 created. So now vg extend dev/sdh1 to new vg. Sorry, we need to use it the other way around. Vg extend new vg/dev/sdh1. So volume group is successfully extended. VGS. So we can see now we have 3.94 GB of the space in this new volume group. So now I need to extend the logical volume LV1. So we will use the command LV extend minus capital L plus 1 GB on LV1. Sorry, I need to give the full path, dev new VG and LV1. So size of logical volume is changed from 16 GB to 17 GB. We can also use LVS, and now you can see that the size is extended from 16 GB to 17 GB. The last question is to create a logical volume of size 10 extents where each extent is of size 8 MB. So I will use the disk SDB. First step is pv create dev SDB, then vg create minus s to give the size of the physical extent to 8 MB. Name is vg3 from dev SDB. Volume group is created. vg display vg3, and here you can check the physical extent size is 8 MB. So last step is lv create minus n lv, let's suppose give it the name lv3 minus l 10 because 10 extends from vg3. So let's give the full path dev vg3. So the logical volume is created. We can list lvs. So lv3 of size 80 MB, 10 physical extent, each physical extent of size 8 MB. So the total is 80 MB. So that is all for this video. See you next time.